guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a tutorial based on this look, smoky eye for brown eyes, and I'm using the ColourPop Blow and Smoke palette, eyeshadow palette. And I did not want to spend $58 on grays and neutrals from the cremated palette to show like a point. Honestly, I'm not marketed towards that. Like, I'm not gravitated towards that. If you're gonna call a palette goth, why compare it to bridal makeup at the same time, you know? That's just me. But I don't want to pay that much amount for just neutrals. I'm not about that.
Bafflation.
You can see. And one thing that I freaking love about ColourPop is their glitter gels. I've been trying to get my hands on the Sailor Moon ones, but they always fucking like sold out. So I saw how a part of this collection there's like a glitter gel, so I got it in midnight condition and it's so good. Like, I'm obsessed. This is my second one ever. And if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna show you how I did this eye using the Blowing Smoke eyeshadow palette by ColourPop and the glitter gel from that collection called Mint Condition, and I'm gonna translate it to this eye. So I got this eye shader brush on my Ipsy glam bag for this month, and it's flat, and I'm going to take the shade Young Love and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. And I just use like a tapping motion like this because sometimes the white doesn't want to stick to my face. And I just always use my foundation as concealer because I don't like, I have money saved up, but I don't want to spend it on too much makeup, but even though I have a lot, but you know what I mean. Trying to save a penny there and then. And then I use my finger because sometimes I feel like it isn't enough, and I just do this so I can look like an empty canvas. And then I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush. I got this from the collaboration with Morphe Jeffree Star, and I'm gonna use Stone Face and just create like a, I don't know, the shape of my crease, because if I'm gonna be honest, that's my crease, but I can create one with makeup. And now I'm gonna use another little fluffier brush. I'm gonna use Flatten and put that below, but not too below where you can't see my lid. Small fluffier brush, a smaller one, and I went with the black shade Let's Do It. Tap it off because black's a bitch. Eyeshadow palette color, I'm not racist. And then going back with Slated, you're gonna do into Slated and Ignite. Go like that. And just blend. And so I recently learned this trick where you get like Vaseline or whatever to carve out your cut crease. I was lazy, so I just used a primer to cut it off. I hope that works. And it primes my oily ass eyelid. It's probably bad for it, but I don't care. And for the foundation I'm using to cut this crease is the Lock-It foundation by Kat Von D. Don't cancel me, I just like the product. And you just trace over what you cut. What I'm gonna do again is use the flat brush, and I'm gonna use Young Love again and put it in my inner corner. Now to blend this, and I'm gonna use Stone Face. And where I didn't set it, where basically the sticky part, I'm just gonna drag it in. Try to blend it with the black. Then slate it and ignite. Put it in the middle. Then let's do it. And then with the Q-tip, I'm gonna make this line sharper. Young Love is going in the middle. Even though I'm gonna hide her right now. And then right after that, salad, slated. Sorry, it looks like it's spelled salad. I'm gonna put some black eyeliner, 99-cent stuff. And with the gel, I'm gonna be using like another flat brush. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use the eyeliner and Jet Black by e.l.f. the liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really enjoy my content for some weird reason. And have a good one, and don't forget to wear a mask.